Chimamanda Ngozi Adichie is a Nigerian author, feminist icon and cultural voice celebrated for her transformative storytelling. Adichie was born and raised in Enugu from Aba, Anambra. After her secondary education, she studied medicine for a year and a half at the University of Nigeria, Nsukka. At 19, she left Nigeria for the United States to study at Drexel University and would later study at three universities: Eastern Connecticut State University, Johns Hopkins University, and Yale University. She first published Decisions, a poetry collection in 1997, which she followed with a play for her love of Biafra. In 1998, she published Purple Hibiscus in 2003. Her father's story during the war supplied materials for her second novel, Half of a Yellow Sun.
Literature that reminds us of that thing that is universal in all of us. It's literature that enables us to see.
Known for acclaimed works like Purple Hibiscus, Half of a Yellow Sun, and Americana, she masterfully weaved themes of identity, race, and gender into narrative that resonate globally.
I was lucky to be given a great gift by the universe, knowing from childhood what I loved most. I was lucky to have wonderful, supportive parents who encouraged me.
She also uses fashion as a medium to break down stereotypes and was recognized with a Shorty Award in 2018 for her Wear Nigerian campaign.
I would like to tell you a few personal stories about what I like to call the danger of the single story. I thought about this when I left Nigeria to go to university in the United States.
Adichie's TED Talks, including We Should All Be Feminists and The Danger of a Single Story, have sparked international conversations about equality and representation. With her eloquence and insight, she has become a leading advocate for African perspective and a beacon for modern feminism.